Eddie Jones is preparing to crank up the heat by investing in humidifiers to simulate the Japanese atmosphere at England's training base. Temperatures will reach 30 C with 75% humidity at next year's World Cup, and England want to accustom their players to the conditions. Before the summer tour of South Africa. Related articles: previous one. The next Danny Cipriani has on sale reunion as he bids to I quit school to play rugby and provide food for my family. Lines to 15-12 Racing 92. Isinosia kicks late penalty 2. He will always regret England's World Cup flop, but Stuart. Share this article. Share. We are going to set up our indoor training centre like Tokyo, said Jones, who will stage the first heat familiarisation sessions later this month. Some players will struggle, and for some players it will have a detrimental effect on how they are able to play rugby. Nathan Hughes sits down and he sweats. He literally has to change his t-shirt, but there are ways of helping. Maybe give him 6 extra t-shirts. In Tokyo at that time of the year, that sort of temperature is regular, and that will make a hell of a difference to the games. It becomes a different game. It becomes like playing a game in a thunderstorm, because the ball becomes that slippery, everything becomes slippery, and you've also mentally got to get over it. Related articles: previous one. The next Danny Cipriani has on sale reunion as he bids to I quit school to play rugby and provide food for my family. Lines to 15-12 Racing 92. Isinosia kicks late penalty 2. He will always regret England's World Cup flop, but Stuart. Share this article. Share.